All right, so let's put 200 or 200 200 $500, sorry, $500. All right, so I'm trading as usual. I'm trading this signal. I got a signal I want to share with you. I'm active these days, so this one is going down. I'm active these days, guys. This is why I decided to keep sharing with you my sessions, my live sessions. So from time to time, I got some good signals that I try to share it with you. Obviously, the signal is made by my strategy. So using my strategy, I got the signal. With the signal, I can get up to 10 or 12 candles that I can predict the exact color, the exact direction of the market, and I make up to 9 or 12 wins every time. So yeah, the strategy, by the way, is explained in the course in the description below. If you are interested, you can learn from our course the strategy, the exact strategy used in this trading session. Otherwise, you can learn from I don't know, free stuff out there on the market. You can develop your own strategy. But yeah, if you want my strategy, everything is in the course. So as you can see, in my strategy, I use MACD, parabolic SAR, RSI, different chart patterns, money management. Yeah, first win, money management or risk management method. All right, this one also is going down. So I got the start of the signal from a downtrend or a bearish trend. So for example, MACD, guys, is the signification of MACD is moving average convergence divergence. So yeah, this indicator shows the relationship between two exponential moving averages, EMAs. As you can see, the MACD is a line. This line calculated by subtracting the 26 period EMA from the 12 period EMA. So with the help of this indicator, the way I use this indicator, I get the exact direction of the market. I also use the parabolic SAR. Yeah, another win. The parabolic SAR. So I'm using trading with 500. I guess that I can't put more. So let's put 7. Yeah, 700. And yeah, $700. This one is a little bit flipping, and the market is making me small bearish trend or small bearish reversal, or some like to call it a small lower high. Yeah, or a high low. Sorry. Yeah. So you can learn the indicators. There's plenty of free stuff on the internet if you want to learn how the MACD is calculated, how the parabolic SAR is calculated. So yeah, as predicted, this one was green. So $595. Right now it's flipping. Yeah. Yeah, this one is going down. Sorry. Yeah. By the way, these days I'm getting something like 2-3 signals per day. But for example, this is my second signal this day, my second session. I did not film my previous session. I was on my phone, so I couldn't. I couldn't film the whole session. So, but this one, filming this one, January the 9th. Yeah. I'm making 595. I don't like to open trades with large amounts, but yeah, I'm sticking with 700, sorry. Yeah, I'm sticking with 700. I can open with more, but no. I don't want to do this. Amazing. So this one is red. Yeah, it's 100% red. So let's just wait. But even if I'm losing, I will lose 700. I already made more than 1000. Yeah, more than 1000, but I guess I'm making more. But I don't want to lose. So the first rule, guys, in trading is avoid losing. Avoid the losing decisions. Every dollar you lose is lost forever. Remember, every dollar you lose is lost forever. So that's why I don't want anybody. Yeah, as predicted, it was a red candle. So this one, also this one is a red candle. At least it's going down. So every dollar you lose, it lost forever. So that's why the first thing you need to focus on when you start trading is not to lose your money. Don't lose any dollar. Don't lose any trade. You can miss a trade. That's okay if you're missing a trade. So you don't open a trade at all. But you don't have to lose any trade, or you have to win every trade you open. So keep that on your mind. If you're losing now, you will keep losing until you will lose all your balance, all your money. So yeah, be careful. Don't lose your money. Focus on your trading. Focus on a strategy. You need more discipline. Put a lot of discipline on your trades. Open. This one also is going down. So as you can see, we're having a bearish trend or downtrend. Yeah, the signal is giving me a downtrend. Yeah, focus on your strategy. Respect the rules from the strategy. Respect the indicators. Respect everything described on your strategy. So, for example, my strategy is in the description below. The strategy is not be a millionaire strategy or become a millionaire in your first day strategy. No, the strategy will teach you my strategy, the way I predict the movement of the market. It's smart, the way I use the indicators, but it's not 100% guaranteed win strategy. You need to remember that. Yeah, another win. So it's not guaranteed. Remember, this one is a simulation of what is possible to be done with trading crypto, trading binary option. This is not a guaranteed results. I'm not guaranteeing you to have the same results. As you can see here, you can make money with trading binary option. Yeah, that's possible, but at the same time you can lose money. You can lose your money. So be careful before opening any trades. You need to be 100% sure. You need to master a strategy. You need to know what you're doing. And yeah, hopefully at the end of every trade or every position you open, you will make some profit. That's the most important. So let's take this one. All right. Again. Let's see. So yeah, we have in here a small reversal, but that's okay. So, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. In any way, I trade binary option or iqoption. I'm not affiliated with iqoption. I'm not sponsored by iqoption. By the way, I'm not encouraging anyone to use iqoption. For me, iqoption is not the best choice, but I'm used to trade with it, so that's okay. But if you want to start, don't choose iqoption. Choose other platforms. There's plenty other platforms that allow trading. You can use my strategy on other platforms, Binance, I don't know, Pocket Option. I don't know, there's plenty of other, you can use it on Forex or on crypto trading, stock trading. Yeah, I still have one or yeah, three or two or three. Yeah, two or three candles to make. So yeah. So guys, you need to be careful. when you're choosing the best platform. Amazing. This one is a win. Yeah, this one is supposed to go down. If my strategy is right, this one is going down. Yeah, amazing. Last second, see? Last seconds. That's why you need to respect or put a lot of discipline on your trading. If you are disciplined on your trading, you will get some good results. So you need to put discipline on your trading. Yeah, I guess this one is going to be the last one. Yeah, this one is going to be the last one. This is the last trade. So I already made, I don't know, 9, 10, I guess 10 candles. We opened 10 candles and we won 10 positions or 10 trades. Amazing. So we had a bearish trend. The end of the signal is here. Once I found another signal, I will share it with you. And yeah, we can trade together. Great. So let's make this amazing. So I don't know. We made, I guess, $6,000. Yeah. In this session, we made $6,000.